This is the next sewing machine, Bernina, model 1005. See it all the way around the machine. Here's all the, trying to get this, all the stitches that it says it does. Somebody wanted me to show this specifically, so as you can see, this light is on and working. Trying to show all the way around real good. This is the back side. This is the, somebody else asked the question about the bobbin case. That is what is in there specifically at this point. Okay, it does have the foot pedal, as you can see. It does appear to work. Again, I don't sew, so this is the, best we've got here. I guess that just threads. So there you have it. Thank you so much.